We spend a lot of time chasing external solutions to internal problems. We look for quick fixes, magic pills, or someone else to blame. But the truth is, the power to heal yourself resides within you. It's not about what happens to you. It's about how you respond to it. This is where the concept of doing comes in. Now, I'm not advocating for empty action or blind busyness. True healing requires conscious action, a deliberate shift in your mindset and behaviors. Think of it like resetting your internal compass. By taking control of your thoughts, emotions, and reactions, you can rewrite the narrative of your life and promote healing on a physical, mental, and emotional level. One powerful tool you have at your disposal is your awareness. Become an observer of your thoughts and emotions. Notice the patterns that emerge, the stories you tell yourself, and the automatic reactions you have to certain situations. This self-awareness empowers you to choose how you want to respond instead of being ruled by unconscious patterns. Healing is like cleaning and organizing that room. You start by becoming aware of what's there, the broken furniture, the dusty corners, the piles of forgotten belongings. Once you see it clearly, you can begin the process of sorting, discarding, and rearranging. This conscious effort creates space for new possibilities and a more harmonious environment. Here's another way to think about doing for healing. Focus on your energy. Our thoughts and emotions are not just electrical impulses, they are energetic vibrations. When you hold on to negativity, fear, or anger, you create a stagnant, low vibrational state within yourself. This can manifest as physical ailments, emotional distress, and a general sense of dis-ease. The key to healing is to shift your energy towards a higher vibration. This doesn't mean forcing happiness or ignoring your emotions. It's about cultivating feelings of gratitude, love, compassion, and forgiveness. These positive emotions create a more expansive and resilient state, paving the way for healing on all levels. How do you actually shift your energy? Here are some practical do's for your healing journey. Practice mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing exercises, and spending time in nature are all excellent ways to cultivate awareness and shift your focus inwards. Reframe your thoughts. Every situation can be interpreted in multiple ways. Challenge negative thought patterns and reframe them into empowering narratives. Practice gratitude. Take time each day to appreciate the good things in your life, no matter how small. Gratitude fosters a positive outlook and elevates your energy. Engage in self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Forgive yourself for past mistakes and focus on self-acceptance. Move your body. Exercise is a powerful tool for releasing trapped emotions and boosting energy levels. Find physical activities you enjoy and incorporate them into your routine. Connect with others. Social connection is essential for human well-being. Surround yourself with supportive and positive people who uplift and inspire you. These are just a few examples, and the specific do's will vary based on your individual needs and circumstances. What matters most is taking consistent action towards creating a life that supports your healing journey. Healing is not a linear process. There will be setbacks and moments of doubt. Don't get discouraged. View these as opportunities to learn and refine your approach. Each conscious action, each positive shift in your thoughts and emotions brings you closer to the healed and empowered version of yourself. Here's an important caveat. While doing is crucial, it's not the whole story. There's also a space for surrender and allowing the healing process to unfold organically. Trust that your body has an innate capacity to heal itself. Combine your conscious actions with a sense of openness and trust in the process. Ultimately, healing is about reclaiming your power. It's about understanding that you are not a victim of your circumstances, but a co-creator of your reality. By taking charge of your thoughts, emotions, and actions, you can orchestrate a symphony of healing that resonates throughout your entire being. Do this for yourself. Do this to create a life filled with vitality, resilience, and the unwavering belief that you hold the key to your own healing. As you begin on this journey of self-healing, it's important to understand the power of the present moment. The past can hold us hostage, filled with regrets and unresolved issues. The future can be a source of anxiety with its uncertainties and unknown challenges. But the present moment offers a space of empowerment and possibility. Think of it like this. The past is a record, a collection of experiences that have shaped you. The future is a blank canvas, waiting for your masterpiece. The present moment is the brushstroke, the conscious choice you make in this very instant. By focusing on the present, you can rewrite the narrative of the past through new interpretations and experiences. You can paint a vibrant future with the colors of your positive intentions and actions. Here's a powerful tool for harnessing the present moment. Practice. Engage your senses fully in everyday activities. Savor the taste of your food. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Listen attentively to the sounds around you. These seemingly mundane acts cultivate a state of mindful presence, grounding you in the now. Another powerful do for healing is to cultivate a sense of wonder. Reconnect with the childlike curiosity you once possessed. Find joy in the simple beauty of the world, a blooming flower, a vibrant sunset, a playful child's laughter. This sense of wonder opens your heart to new experiences and fosters a sense of possibility, both essential ingredients for healing. Now let's address a common question. What if this feels overwhelming? What if the doing aspect seems like too much to handle? The answer lies in starting small. Don't try to overhaul your life overnight. Focus on incorporating small, sustainable practices into your daily routine. Maybe it's a 5-minute meditation each morning, or a gratitude list before bed. These seemingly insignificant actions, done consistently, create a ripple effect of positive change. Healing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. And when you stumble, as we all do, don't beat yourself up. Simply pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and recommit to your journey. This journey of self-healing is not just about you. As you heal, you become a beacon of hope and inspiration for others. People around you will notice the positive shift in your energy, your outlook, and your overall well-being. This, in turn, can inspire them to begin their own healing journeys. The ripple effect of self-healing has the potential to create a more compassionate, peaceful, and vibrant world for all. Think about a world where individuals prioritize their well-being, where healing becomes a collective endeavor. This vision is not a distant utopia, it's a very real possibility. By taking responsibility for your own healing, you contribute to the collective transformation of our world. You become a living testament to the power of human potential, a radiant example of what's possible when we choose self-love, self-compassion, and conscious action. So begin on this journey of self-healing with courage, with hope, and with the unwavering belief that you have the power to heal yourself and, in turn, the world around you. Remember, the greatest act of healing you can offer the world is the very act of healing yourself. Do this for yourself, do this for your loved ones, do this for a future filled with peace, love, and the boundless potential of the human spirit. As you progress on your healing path, a fascinating phenomenon occurs. Challenges you once dreaded transform into opportunities for refinement. Obstacles become stepping stones, each misstep a valuable lesson etched onto the map of your self-discovery. This newfound perspective fosters resilience. You begin to see yourself not as a passive recipient of life's circumstances, but as an active co-creator. You understand that your thoughts, beliefs, and actions hold immense power to shape your reality. Think a sculptor meticulously sculpting a masterpiece from a block of marble. With each purposeful strike of the chisel, a chip of resistance falls away, revealing the captivating form hidden within. Similarly, your consistent efforts chip away at the limitations you've placed upon yourself, gradually bringing your desired reality into focus. This newfound empowerment extends beyond the personal realm. As you cultivate these positive practices, you inspire those around you. People are drawn to your unwavering focus and unwavering commitment to growth. You become a living testament to the transformative power of conscious action. Think of a single candle illuminating a vast, darkened room. Its light, though small, dispels the shadows, offering warmth and guidance to those within its reach. In the same way, your dedication to self-healing inspires others to embark on their own journeys of transformation. You become a catalyst for positive change, a ripple effect spreading outward, one action at a time. The path of self-healing is a continuous loop of action, reflection, and refinement. It's a testament to the human spirit's incredible capacity for growth and self-discovery. So the next time you encounter a challenge, don't shy away from it. See it as an opportunity to strengthen your resolve and refine your approach. Remember, the most significant transformations often begin with a single, deliberate action. Take that first step and trust the process. You are capable of achieving extraordinary things. With each consistent action, you pave the way for a future filled with purpose, empowerment, and the unwavering belief that you are the architect of your own reality. This journey of self-healing isn't merely about fixing what's broken, it's about unlocking the extraordinary potential that lies dormant within you. It's about shedding the limitations of the past and the limitless possibilities of the present. It's about becoming the architect of your own well-being and a beacon of inspiration for the world around you. So begin on this journey with courage, with curiosity, and with the unwavering belief that you hold the key to your own transformation.